I was diagnosed with HIV in '87. Nobody understood it. Everybody just assumed that it was a gay disease, and it was from an IV drug use. First one I had done and the last one I did. When I was diagnosed with HIV by the Navy, I was taken back into an admiral's office to give the bad news. And he said, "You're unfit for service in the Navy because you'll be dead in 2 years." And I left the office and went home and tried to figure out ways to end my life. My wife and I got married about 14 years ago in Jackson Square. U equals U is a beautiful thing. Undetectable equals untransmittable means that my wife and my 2 kids are all negative. They can just live a normal life in every possible way. Stigma has no place in this world because it's ridiculous. It has no logic. So people have to be just educated that this is okay. Every single year is a benchmark to one more year that I have to enjoy life. When I play with my son or my daughter sits in my lap, you think about the people who didn't make it, and you feel sad, but you feel blessed because you know that it wasn't for nothing. I'm just an average 54-year-old guy, you know? I have a life, I have a job, I have a wife, I have 2 kids, we have bills, you know, and I've had HIV for 37 years.